Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enhance the video quality in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So first put your video to the timeline, and after that you will see that there is an adjustment on the top right side of the corner. Click on that and then scroll down all the way, and here you will see that there is a clarity. So make the clarity to the 50% approximately, and increase the sharpen to 20% and particles 10%. So now, let's play the video and looks how it works. And here you can see that the edges are the sharpened and the clarity has been increased. There is another way. Let me undo that. Click on the media, and in the top right side of adjustment tab you will see that there is a auto adjust. This is the pro feature. So if you click that, and here you can see that the video quality has been enhanced. So let the play and see the results, and you can see that the video quality is significantly increased. So in that way you can easily enhance the video quality in CapCut and PC. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.